Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Haas. I am Haas and I'm so excited to finally share my love of cooking with you all. This channel is about delicious, easy to follow recipes. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned home cook, there is something here for you. If you love food and want to learn some great recipes, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my future videos. Let's get cooking!
Today, we are making chicken schnitzel with Greek lemon roasted potato. We need the following: chicken breasts, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, egg, turmeric, black pepper, paprika, and salt. To prepare chicken breasts, cut large pieces in half. To flatten chicken breasts, use a meat mallet. Whisk one large egg with a fork in a shallow bowl until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Mix well all dry ingredients with breadcrumbs in a shallow bowl. Heat up a pan and add some olive oil. Dip chicken pieces in beaten egg and coat them with breadcrumbs and spices. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, once the oil is hot, carefully add the breaded chicken cutlets and fry for 3 to 4 minutes per side. After chicken cutlets are golden brown, place them on paper towel to absorb excess oil. This helps to have crispier and less greasy chicken cutlets. Roasted Greek lemon potatoes. 5 mid-size potatoes. A half of cup olive oil. 1 medium lemon, juiced. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 3 cups chicken broth. A few garlic cloves. Cut the potatoes into wedges. Soaking potatoes in cold water to remove starch. Cut finely a few garlic cloves. Cut a lemon in half and juice it. Add 3 cups of chicken stock. Add lemon juice. Add salt. Add black pepper. Place potato pieces into a deep baking sheet. Cover potato pieces with the chicken broth mixture. Add a teaspoon of oregano. Add generous amount of olive oil. Give it a good mix. Roast them at 425, about 20 minutes. Flip them over and roast them again. Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe and hit the bell.